Hey guys, Becca here from Jades and Lilies, and oh, I'm dripping. Today I am going to, why's my bra so high up? I have Crazy Rich Asians in the background. Like, I have to have some type of music or something in the background because I have tinnitus in this ear. So it's constantly ringing, sometimes louder than most days, but so I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist. Next, I'm going to go in with the Prep and Prime Skin Refine Zone. And Crystallized Primer or Glow. I'm gonna bump it up a little bit. Beauty Blender. I kind of like a little bit. I like to look smoother here. Okay, enough of that. Bring me that other. See if my eyes. Huh?
Yeah, it's good.
I'm using this Tarte brush to blend it out. MAC Prep and Prime and Bright Forecast. Cat hair driving me insane. To set my under eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass. This is the MAC Studio Fix Setting Powder. Yes. So I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix, and I like to take this MAC 137 and just go to town in all the shades and start to do a soft contour. I don't do anything too crazy. Ugh, cat hair is unbelievable in this house. And with the Fenty bronzer in Private Island. Still trying to get a feel for this.
Oh no.
I feel like I have to paint here. LimeCrime. Are you watching that movie?
No.
Oh. Is it boring?
No, I'm doing schoolwork.
Oh. Excuse me. I'm definitely been into this like pink transition vibe. Now this brush is a Smith 232. Look how fluffy it got. I'm not too crazy about that. Like, it really flared out. Now it just seems like more of an all over wash of color than a blending brush. The lid, I'm gonna take Ivy.
Okay. Follow oatmeal. I made you
If you just get one for now, and if you
I
want.
told her that. She said, I ate 2 packs before.
Oh my gosh, why are we arguing about oatmeal? And I love these colors. Actually, I love the whole palette, but the browns are more of a mauve-y type, and they just go with everything. Down. I just like to gradually make it darker, not just bam, throw in a shade and.
Mom, does this look good? Or does it look like it just needs a little bit more?
Yeah, like one more minute.
Okay.
It's a little bit watery.
Yeah.
Take my MAC. Bless you. I feel like I can dust away my bake. I use these browns from the MAC Bloom palette. This is like the best thing for under the eyes. Bronzer, it is orange. Buxom. And that's called Mykonos. Now that is a pretty song to play at a wedding. Yeah, she got a very I just love it. Look at me now. Single. Oh man. Okay. For brows. Look at my skin. Like, yes. Nami. The MAC Chromographic Pencil in C15 and W20. Color called Frost Me? Frost Me. Dust off. I don't even know what I'm saying. Why don't you take my MAC Fix Plus in the Cherry Blossom? Jesus. Can't just have a moment where nothing's falling apart. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Loose Highlighter. Really intense. This is kind of extra, but this highlighter is so blinding. Like, I cannot not use it. This is the Rock and Gilded Lily. Ooh, like this could be a look. I see. No. This is a brand new. She's new. My lower lash line, I'm gonna take the MAC Extended Lash. This looks so pretty. For lips, we're just doing the whole MAC today. Oh, it's not more jewel to make you feel like a man. This green is so pretty though. So I got the LimeCrime Unicorn Hair Star Mist. And look what I got. Let me spray some in your hair. Come here. Stay right here.
Can I wear it to school tomorrow?
Do you think they'll let you?
My friend dyed her hair, so.
Ready? Okay. Whoa. It's like.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere! Let me see. Ooh. Wow, that's pretty. So for my hair, since it's still damp, it gets everywhere though. I bought.
Either this thing is outdated or it just doesn't work anymore.
Why?
I don't know, the screen is kind of weird. It like delays a little bit. Especially with the typing, it just delays. Just try typing. Or just any of that good stuff.
Mom, I have a question.
Yeah.
What age can you start like cussing and stuff?
You're not really supposed to be
I
cussing.
think you should wait till you're like 21.
What's that noise?
It's my foot.
Wait, what? Did you get her phone back?
Yeah, but
The screen delays a little bit. I don't know if it's something wrong with or it just is outdated now because all the new phones?
It shouldn't be out. Go get me the charger, Lily. Please. It
Okay.
shouldn't be outdated.
Well, there's iPhone X, 7, 8.
It's still a good phone.
Yeah, I know it's still a good phone. It's just kind of weird.
Well, you're gonna have to deal with it, Maya.
Okay.
Yeah, the screen is a little jacked up.
Oh, Mom, I didn't spend my money on like loot boxes or Robux. No, I changed my name.
You did spend your money on Robux before.
Do you believe me that I changed my name?
It's got a little delay, but it's nothing serious, nothing to where you need a new.
Why are you getting attitude?
Because you're coming to me. There's a delay on the phone, and
You're yelling at
I'm not yelling. It took me
fussing
months to get that phone back, and you're complaining.
No, it's fine.
Okay, it's fine. Anyway, I have this IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel. I'm just gonna run that through my hair since it's still damp. Now, I do like to use this Most Def Texture Foam by The Dew. This is the Heat Activated Volume Spray. Damp, blow dry to hold in style. Okay. Lifeless hair. Like, look at it right now. She's looking flat. Oh yeah, you get a lot of volume. A lot of volume. I gotta style it up somehow, but the volume is amazing on this thing. I definitely need a haircut, but alright, I just wanted to show you those products that I got the other day. I don't know what that was, but I want to throw some of this on. It's literally